In this video, you will learn how to remove page number from the first page of Microsoft Word document. Currently, you can see here I have a Microsoft Word document and it has 4 pages. Firstly, I will insert page number. Go to insert option and here you will find the option of page number. Select this one and from here you can choose top of page, bottom of page, page margin or current position. I will choose bottom of page and I will select central position. Select this one. Now you can see here we have successfully inserted page number on all pages. If I scroll down, you can see here we have inserted page number. After that, currently we are interested to remove page number from our first page. Currently this one is our first page. I will click on this document. Now double click on this footer option. Here you will find the option of header and footer tab and here is the option of different first page. Select this option. Now you can see here page number first is removed from first page or cover page. If I scroll down, you can see here page numbers are inserted on remaining pages. Page number 2, 3. Now if you are interested to start page numbering from first, for example you want to number page number 2 as a first, how you can do that? You can also do that easily. Simply go to page number option, same header and footer tab and go to page number option. Here you will find the option of edit page number or format page numbers. Select this one. And from here you will find the option of start at. Select this one and instead of 1 write 0 here and simply click on OK. Now this one is our cover page or first page and it has no page number. This one is our second page and in page number 1 is inserted here. Similarly, continuous page numbering is inserted on remaining document. So by using these options, you can easily insert page number and remove page number from first page. That's the end of this video. Thanks for watching this video. Goodbye.